Man, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Back to Back Los in the building, and today we have, I know it's dark, just give me a break, I know it's dark, but we got my 2008 Honda Accord. You know, hold on, let me pull out the, you know, look at the whip. It look good and it's dark. Hold on, check it out, check out the pipes, check out the pipes. Come on, man. Come on, man, it's that KTUNED effect, man. Look at the inside. Nice little pretty interior. Hold on, y'all, check out the lights. I don't even think y'all seen them yet. I just put these in a while back. Check out the light, and I can change the color of them, but I ain't gonna do it though. Cause I like that white color, and I don't know, I'm scared to do any other color. Then my bottom lights too. Hold on, I don't know why my bottom lights turned off. Let me hurry up, cause I feel like I hear coyotes and shit, man. But look, check it out. Check it out. Stop playing. And they purple. And they purple. Stop playing. Yeah, I be getting paranoid as fuck, but I be trying to look at the lights too. Hold on. Hold on. Look at the. Come on, man. It's a Honda, but I still keep it pretty now. I still keep it pretty now. Hold on. Look at the flow lights with it. Let me turn this off. Show y'all now. Come on now. Now hold on, without these lights. Without these lights. And I got them for the back too. Y'all know, we're gonna give y'all a quick little POV. Quick little POV. I know it's been a long time. I ain't been really in the YouTube spirit, but I've been watching a lot of Hellcat videos. And man, it done brought my spirits back up. So now, I guess we can just get to driving. It's hella dark on these back roads. Like, I came back here because I didn't want no police to be over here while I'm doing this. Hell nah. Yes, sir. That's that KTUNED, y'all. That KTUNED ain't no joke, y'all. It's crazy though. It's so crazy how a little old chip can make your car go so much faster, bro. Like, I'm gonna get lost back here, bro. Got no service. A lot of people always say that they got the best Honda. They got the best Honda. And I'm in the loudest 2008 Honda. I don't know, like, I think that a lot of people's cars might be loud, but I don't think they know how loud my car really is. Like, my car is actually really loud, y'all. Like, super loud. Like, I don't understand how much louder can they, like, they say, oh, I got a muffler delete. I got a this delete. Man, I deleted everything, all my shit gone. The only thing I don't got yet is the downpipe, and I'm trying to find out how to get it. Is it a highway, bro? It sounds loud as hell right here. It sounds like a highway coming from like left and right. It don't even sound like no highway in the distance. Fuck. Man, boy, this car wanna go, man. I don't think y'all understand what that KTUNED really what that KTUNED really capable of. Ooh, that's a graveyard. I'm sorry. Oh, that's a graveyard. Oh, that's a graveyard. Lord, please forgive me. Uh-oh. She don't know what I'm finna do. Shit finna get nasty. Hold on. Shit finna get nasty. God! want to live to see tomorrow, man. I want to live to see tomorrow. I'm blind. I ain't gonna blind the truck, man. Oh my God. Do y'all hear that? I don't think y'all really hearing this car for real. I don't think y'all really hearing it for real. Because this shit got me deaf. I can't fucking hear a thing. Hurry up, somebody get around me. Y'all hear the pops, oh my gosh. Stop, let me stop now. They don't know. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is incredible. This is incredible. Y'all, my intake's so loud. See, I be so scared of shit like this. Like, look at me slowing down like a good civilian. That's what you fucking supposed to do. Look at the blue lights, but the blue go the hardest. Yeah, I know y'all fuck with these. Y'all got to. Hold on. Y'all gotta fuck with them. Let me let the windows up and everything. Y'all can really see the floor. And let me turn. I ain't gonna turn the phone off, but look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Red. Stop playing. Well, you don't gotta worry about me talking, because now I got a good little spot. I know this spot. Oh, I just hit my camera. I hope it ain't freaking up. Oh my God. The fuck was the point? Now I'm finna chase him down. Stop playing. Half throttle, stop playing. See, I'm scared to do full throttle, bro. I'm scared. I'm terrified to do full throttle. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm scared I'm gonna either fuck some shit up or fly off the motherfucking road. Cause that motherfucking, oh my God, that motherfucking KTUNED. All right, we are back in business. Now we can head home. I know y'all hear it. 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 I don't want nobody getting. Oh, nope. Damn. I can go. I can go. Window up a little bit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. To do either. Like, I know that it's a lot of stuff you can do to your car, and I'm just now starting to get into the upgrading joint, so it's like I don't really be knowing what to upgrade. But I did get an exhaust, I did get an intake, you know, all the Honda boy things, you know, like the intake, the exhaust, you know, tune. Finally got a tune, so you know I'm a little special now. Got a little status to my reputation, you know. Hold on. Oh, I'm losing traction. It's like my car don't want to stop accelerating. Like, I can't really tell a difference, but I can tell, like, once I get to like 3rd, 4th gear, oh my god, bro, that motherfucker open up every time. Like, once I get, like, I'm telling you, like, 1st, 2nd feel about the same, but I know it's faster. But 3rd, come on now. Come on now, J series go crazy, bro. Listen to it. Come on now. Come on now. What Honda you know? A lot of them, but you know what I'm saying. Oh my god, this is crazy as fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? This shit is crazy. Y'all wanna hear a nice little rev? Hold on, I got y'all. We in the middle of nowhere, so I can do it. I didn't think I revved it for y'all yet. There y'all go. I don't think y'all heard one yet. I don't got nobody to record yet. And I don't really want to get out my car because I'm kind of like in the middle of fucking nowhere. Who this is? Not a police. Oh my god. Oh my god. I ain't gonna have no gas, bro. No fucking gas. And I gotta take 93 now. I gotta take 93. I'm not gonna have no gas. No fucking gas.
Because I'm all out of money!
Y'all, this shit is crazy. As y'all can see, y'all hear it. Y'all hear it. Like, this the most solid Honda you can find, bro. Stick shift. I mean, it's fast, easy to customize. I would get something a little easier to customize though. I hear smell a stanky smell. Smell like shit. We in the motherfucking farm. Look, I see it. This shit. Oh my god, they live in such a stanky ass area. Why don't you got a nice house? Look at that house. Oh my god, that shit is beautiful. And they got a gate to that bit. They said, hell nah. Oh my god, I don't even know where I'm at. I'm 14 minutes away from where I'm going though. Oh, we on the highway, hold on. This ain't good though, cause that means police. But watch this. We'll give a VTEC kick in. Oh, hold on. Alright, what's up, y'all? I'm back in my building. Ignore my board, my motivation board. But yeah, I think that I give it an 8 out of 10 because one, the ease of use. It was pretty easy to use. Like even with my mom's slow ass computer, it worked. Like, it took a little while, but the step that had to deal with loading something took more than like a minute, more than a minute and a half, 2 minutes. The longest process was once you get the tune the dyno thing open, and it's like trying to like pair with your ECU. Like, that part is like the longest process, and that didn't even take long. But just when you do it, remember you need internet, good internet. So try to get a garage or somewhere like, yeah, like a garage like that's right up under the router, closer you can to the router. Get an Ethernet cord, plug that bitch to your computer or something. It's crazy, but I mean, if I might as well pay the extra few dollars for some gas for this, you know, what I got now, and it's totally worth it. And also, I want to say that like, looking at like where I feel power at, like I feel like I felt power towards like 3rd, 4th gear. Like every time I press the gas, it actually want to go now. Like hurry up, my storage talking about it's full as hell. But yeah, I feel like the power, it went up. You know, I feel like I don't really know what no horsepower numbers are in junk, but I know that. Is this recording? It was recording. So basically, money wise, people could actually do more with it when they know how to use it. The price may be a little pricey because it might be like $500 for the V1, but I didn't get the V2. The V2 is like a little extra. I don't need all that. But I got the V1. It just don't come with the screen. That's basically it. And it's literally like $200 cheaper, so why not? Man, I really don't know what else to rate it on, but fuel consumption, I don't know. I really hope it don't wear no parts down from the car. Oh, that's what I've been to tell y'all. Drop in the comments. Please let me know. I'm asking y'all for y'all help. What do I upgrade next? Like, what do I upgrade not to make my car faster, but yeah, to make it faster, but what can I upgrade to make it more reliable while I'm making it faster? I don't want to keep upgrading my car and like missing on parts, like missing on the weak points, and then like some shit happened because I didn't upgrade it and I got too much power coming out the car. Like I know my car ain't no crazy 500 horsepower Honda, but like now I know it's getting faster and I'm using like, you know, I'm putting that wear on it now. So like I want to know what to upgrade. Next I'm doing spark plugs and ignition coils. Spark plugs and ignition coils. I'm going with some Iridium I think. Spark plugs and some like high performance ignition coils. And that's what I'm gonna do next. But again, drop in the comments, what do I need to upgrade? That's gonna help my car be more better and not fuck up while I make it faster. Until then, y'all, thank y'all for watching the POV, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. I hope y'all enjoyed me using all that gas for y'all. But I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace.